5 tips every college student should know before filing taxes. You may be asking yourself, do I even have to file my taxes? Or did I fill out my W-2 correctly? If you haven't asked yourself these questions, it's definitely time. Here are 5 tips to making filing your taxes a little easier while in college. Number 1, research what tax forms you'll need. The good news is that we've already done some of the research for you. Here are some of the key documents you'll need to file your taxes. W-2. If you had a job on or before December 31st, you should receive a W-2 from your employer, usually by mail. This document contains any taxes that were withheld from your paycheck. The IRS requires employers to send out W-2s by the end of January of each year, so if you don't get it in the mail by the first week of February, contact your employer for a paper or digital copy. Student Loan Interest Statement, Form 1098E. This document helps you deduct any interest you paid on a student loan during the tax year. Your lender should send you this form if you paid over $600 in interest. Tuition Statement, Form 1098T. Your school should provide this form. This tuition statement includes all the information you'll need to report to claim education credits. This includes tuition paid and related expenses, scholarships, grants, and any adjustments from the previous year. Form 8863. This form indicates whether you qualify for education credits, including the American Opportunity Credit and the Lifetime Learning Credit. Number 2, look for extra credits and deductions. Did you know that education credits can save you money? Education credits are different from the credits you earn at school. An education credit helps with the cost of your education by reducing the amount of taxes you owe. One education credit we recommend you looking into is the American Opportunity Tax Credit, which is specifically designed for filing taxes as a college student. Number 3, know your dependency status. You may be independent at college, but that doesn't mean you can't be claimed as a dependent on your parents' tax return. A dependent is a qualifying child or relative who has lived with someone for at least a year and their parents provided for the majority of their financial support. Number 4, apply for scholarships. What's arguably better than free money? Tax-free money. When you win a scholarship, the money you receive won't be included as taxable income, unlike the money you earn from a job. Number 5, don't assume you need to pay to file your tax return. As a full-time student, you may not make enough money to need to file a tax return. However, if you had a summer job, entered a work-study program at school, or are enrolled in classes part-time, that may not be the case. When you decide to file your taxes, consider filing with free online platforms such as Credit Karma, TurboTax, or H&R Block. With the right information and forms, filing taxes as a college student doesn't have to be intimidating, especially if you follow these 5 steps. Research what tax forms you'll need, look for extra credits and deductions, know your dependency status, apply for scholarships, and don't assume you need to pay to file your tax return. Understanding how you can maximize your tax refund can be empowering while putting a little more money in your pocket during tax season.